Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today's video is gonna be a lingerie guide. I'm gonna give you my all-time favorite lingerie that I got from Amazon. And ये ना एकदम basics है तो this is something that you can actually invest in. And yes, these pieces are a little on the expensive side, but everything is like worth investing your money in because I think lingerie is the first thing that touches your body and उसमें तुम थोड़े पैसे खर्च सकते हो उसमें कोई compromise नहीं करना चाहिए. And before we start with our haul, I just want to tell you that Amazon Great Freedom Festival is live and you're gonna get everything on amazing discounts. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with the video. The first thing that I want to show you is this bra. Let's start with bras first. So this one is like your balconette bra. You guys, this is something I can wear on a daily basis. This is super comfortable. It's nicely padded and wired, and the best part is that you can wear it with your backless tops or backless dresses as well, as this one comes with this स्ट्रैप एंड इसके साथ आपको स्ट्रैप्स भी मिलते हैं. सो तुम इसको एज अ स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रा भी पहन सकते हो एंड एज अ नॉर्मल balconette bra bhi पहन सकते हो. So the ones that I got with this one were black, but I have lost it somewhere because I don't usually wear sleeveless, so I don't use the straps very much. But yes, this is the first bra that I wanted to show you that you should definitely get because the quality and the price that you're paying for is worth it. I mean, मैंने ये दोबारा से purchase करी है after 3 years. ये मेरा second time buy है and ये same bra मेरे पास 3 साल पहले भी थी because this is like the basic collection and it never gets old. And the same kind of bra that I want to show you is in the nude color because when you wear white or just light color, so you cannot wear like black underneath it. Sometimes it just shows, so it's good to have a nude bra as well. And again, the back is the same, so it's very comfortable. Again, I absolutely love it and highly recommend it. So these bras in both these colors, like you have to have this. And if you're like a dark skinned person, then I think isme brown and thoda beige shade bhi aata hai, so that can be your nude. All of these lingerie that we're talking about today is actually from a really good brand which is Triumph, but Amazon पे काफी सेल पे रहता है, so I thought कि I will share my favorites with you. Then the next bra that I'm going to show you is actually this black one. This is again your daily wear t-shirt bra, but it has like this fancy mesh thing going on. Again, this one is super comfortable. So if you're someone who wears kurtis, t-shirts, basically something which is not sleeveless or very like deep neck वाला जो उसका वो होता है, then you can definitely go for this. But अगर कभी कभी ये mesh दिख भी जाता है in some of my tops, I think it just looks nice only because a nice detailing to have. It just gives that bralette kind of look to it, so I really like it. I think all of these pieces are very basic, तो तुम इसमें invest कर सकते हो because some lingerie are basically just statement making and very fancy that you cannot actually use on daily basis. But all of these pieces that we have today in the video are usable on daily basis. Now this was my first time buying panties from Triumph. I usually don't wear their panties, but I was impressed, you guys. So I got this one. This is actually a high rise panty and it's in like this satiny material, and it has this really pretty detailing of floral net going on here. But the good part is this has like this cotton lining as well, so it's not going to give you any allergies because the area that is going to cover your thing is actually cotton, so that's pretty great. And I love wearing high rise panties because it just cinch my belly pooch nicely, so I love it again. And have this in nude as well, but I just cannot find it, but I will tag it in the description. But it's the same basic panty in nude color. Next thing, which is my favorite thing, you guys, I've been looking for a good shapewear from so long, and I found one in Triumph, that too on Amazon, and I thought like, oh, I am blessed. Okay, so I love wearing bodycon dresses and basically body hugging dresses, but sometimes you are bloated and sometimes you have a lot more belly to show, but sometimes you do not want to show it, right? So uske liye I have this shapewear. First of all, it's so sexy and it's so good, you guys. I absolutely love it. And size that I got, I think I got medium in it. It just gives such a nice shape. Are you seeing this thing? It actually makes your waist go like this, and it is not wired, but it is made like a corset sort of a thing. And it, yes, it comes like till here, till like तुम्हारे bra और इसमें 1 inch का difference रह जाता है, बस इतना इतना ऊपर तक ही आ जाता है. So I think for dresses it's amazing. You can see in this video I am wearing this shapewear underneath the dress. It just gives, you know, a nice shape to my body, and it just cinches everything in, and it's just smooth, and I love it. Next thing, which is also the last thing of our video, but again it's the shapewear in nude. So I have a lot of white and light colored bodycon dresses as well, and उसके नीचे black पहनते हैं तो थोड़ा सा awkward लगता है, because sometimes the dresses are see through और इतना thick कपड़ा नहीं होता है, mostly white अगर मैं पहनती हूँ तो. So I got this one in nude. So पहले मैंने ना black वाला order किया था, and I really liked it. मतलब मैंने इसको अच्छे से machine wash भी कर चुकी हूँ मैं इनको 2-3 बार, and it's like still new. Well, it still looks new, so I know कि if I'm, you know, paying that kind of money in like one shapewear, it's completely and totally worth it. I ordered the same one in nude as well to go with my light colored, you know, clothes, and yes, I absolutely love it. All of these pieces are available on Amazon, and I think it's just amazing that you're getting like good discounts as well on these products. I think it's a really good time to shop. The links are in the description box below. अगर कोई भी तुम्हें question है size or, you know, anything, if you want to ask, you can just drop a comment and I will get back to you. Yeah, I hope that you guys, you know, found this video helpful. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys super soon in my next video.